Our household goes through a large amount of beef, and to prevent waste, we've started using the drippings from our ground beef to cook our eggs. To do this, we must first collect our beef fat, also known as tallow, and then render it into a clean product. We collect the drippings over the course of a couple of weeks in a large container that we keep in the fridge. Considering we go through around 3 pounds of beef a day, this accumulation of beef fat doesn't take long. Once we have a full container, it's time to put our drippings into a crock pot, add some salt and water, and then run on low for about 8 to 12 hours. All of the resources that I've read say that the salt, quote, removes impurities, however, I'm not exactly sure of the scientific mechanism being done here. After simmering this solution, it's time to strain it through a piece of cheesecloth. The first cycle has a bunch of chunks in it, so you may need 2 cheesecloths for this strain. Also, it's probably easier to use a ladle than pouring it like this, but I was in a hurry at the time. The strained tallow is then placed in the fridge overnight. When you take it out of the fridge, you can flex your container to get the tallow out of the bowl. It has had time to separate from the water in the fridge before solidifying. Scrape off all the junk from the bottom of your tallow block and then repeat the entire process a second time. You can see that the second rendering cycle has produced a much cleaner block, and there is only a little bit of gunk left on the bottom of the block. Scrape this off and then break up your block into a pitcher. This pitcher is then lightly heated on the stove over a steamer to melt the tallow for pouring. Note that there is still some water here at the bottom of the pitcher that you do not want to transfer into your jars. The water can contaminate your tallow and, from what I understand, reduce its shelf life. I then put the jars in the fridge for long-term storage while I use one jar at a time by the stove. We really enjoy cooking our eggs on carbon steel with this beef tallow, and it feels good to save a few dollars and not to waste this beef gold. If you got something out of this video, please hit that like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Until the next time, this is Red Beard Engineered, signing off.